Hey, everybody, how you doing? Don here from Superblast. Hey, the video you're just getting ready to watch here, I just got a call from the customer. I thought I'd share it with you. Just always goes to show you, always do a good job, okay? Here's the message I just got.
Hey, Don, it's Roseanne Carlino. You were just here. I just got to call you and tell you, you are amazing. So I will highly recommend you from here to Kingdom Come to do pressure washing. I thank you so much for doing such a beautiful job. Have a blessed Thanksgiving. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Isn't that nice? Just thought I'd share that with you. Enjoy the video. And like she said, I hope everybody has a happy Thanksgiving. But I'll see you on Monday before that. All right? Get after it. Leave me a comment and a thumbs up. Hey, good Saturday morning, everybody. Don here from Superblast. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning. On my way to the one and only job I have today. Nice big ticket. Full house wash, pool cage, and driveway wash. Shouldn't take me about 2.5 hours maybe to get it all done. 3 tops. Then we'll stop by the bank, make the last deposit of the week. Then we're going to be working Monday. 3 jobs on Monday. Then we're shutting it off. Tuesday, doctor's appointments. Wednesday, full maintenance on the rig at Ameritech. And of course we have Thanksgiving and 4 days off for that. All right? So let's go ahead and get this party started. And we'll see you at the job. And please leave me a comment or a thumbs up. It helps the channel move. Channel's been moving a little slow the last year, so trying to get it up and running again. And I got a meeting with a YouTube expert on Sunday at noon. We'll see what he says to get the channel up and running. All right, I'm Don from Superblast. We'll see you at the job. And remember, always get after it. All right, change of plan. Just got done talking to the homeowner. The house really doesn't need to be washed. The driveway is mediocre, so we're gonna wait. I told him just to wait till spring. Now we are gonna clean the pool cage, and I got some stains off the side of this house, off the front of the house that the gutter was making. And I cleaned up around his air conditioning on the one side of the house. Now we're gonna pull up here and hook up and get this pool cage done. See the cage back there? All right, let's get after it. All right, we're all hooked up. See the cage doors open down the side of the house there? There was a stain on the front of the house. The SH just took it right off. That gutter's leaking, so it looked like it was killing the paint, but it wasn't. So we got that stain off for him. Very happy customer. We have our injector hooked up. 2-hour unloader. This is a K7 unloader for 8 gallons a minute to 10 gallons a minute, 12 gallons a minute. That's what you use, okay? You hook up your injector to here, then you run it over to the tank. You can see the hose is going down in the tank there. And that's how you get your SH out. How these tips work. These are soap tips. This is a V-Jet soap tip, 2560. This is a 0060 long range soap tip. This is a 40-15 wide rinse, and this is a 0015 wash jet tip. This is all you need to do pressure washing with, unless you need a turbo nozzle for weed removal or paint prep and what have you. All right, I'm Don from Superblast. Let's go and do this pool cage back here. It's not even that big of a mess, really. I was just here in July, but they have leaks from the gutter, so it makes big algae spots, and we'll see that when we get back there. All right, I'm Don from Superblast. Let's get after it. All right, let's have a look at what we're talking about here. See these stains right here? That's from the gutter. So what it does is it drips off of here. So the moisture gets on here and it drips down to here. Same with over here. It's just coming out of the gutter onto the floor. Then we have this accumulation over here. This is from a leaky faucet and what have you. Oh, we got a surprise from the doggy. Go ahead and open this up. See if you can figure that out. There you go. All right, it's just got a little algae all over it. We'll try to get some of these pine needles out here as well. And we're able to get the front of the house cleaned up for the young lady. She'll be happy about that. All right, let's get after it.
Rock top the footway on a Friday night. The landscapes are fine and natural sight. Just moving slow through the dark old night. Precious and grace, everything's alright. Good God Almighty.
All right, let's have a look at these stains. Going away. That's going away nicely. This one over here is going away real nice. All we got to do is rinse it off. That's all going to come right off of there, all right? Everything else has been SH down. And we're getting ready to get after it. Now for the exciting rinse. Last one of the week. Enjoy it and let's get after it, shall we? Ho, ho, ho.
And you need that supernatural delight. I know somebody that can treat you right. Precious and grace, everything's alright.
Boom, there you have it. Everything's all cleaned up as best as you can get these stains off. This big one's there. You're not going to get that off. That's all gone over there. Looks really good. Cage is good. Windows are good. Got that stain off the front of the house for the lady of the house, and she's very happy about that. So we made everybody happy. I saved them some money by being honest. Tell them they didn't need the work done. Of course they agreed. You don't want to take people's money unless it's absolutely necessary. Now I'm sure, I'm not calling anybody a thief or anything, but probably 8 out of 10 of you would have done the whole house, driveway, and just did what you said you were going to do over the phone call, which is not very good. People talk highly of you when you're honest, especially when you're honest. Remember that. I'm Dr. Superblast Pressure Washing. That's a wrap. Always remember, get after it, and please leave a comment. And give me a thumbs up. Have a good weekend.